Do you know how to create a neon glow effect in Adobe Illustrator? In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to do it step by step. First, type your text or draw your shape. I am using the word neon with a bold font for better glow. Next, choose a bright fill color. Neon colors like cyan, magenta or lime green work best. Now duplicate the text by copying and pasting it in the back. Select the back layer, then go to Effect, Blur, Gaussian Blur. Start with 20 pixels and adjust as needed. For a stronger glow, duplicate the blurred layer and increase the blur even more. Stack 2 to 3 layers for best results. Neon pops best on a dark background. Add a black or deep navy rectangle and sand it to the back. And that's it. You have created a glowing neon effect in Illustrator in just a few steps. If this helped, give it a like and subscribe for more quick Illustrator tutorials.